sound of OU?
Sow.
No, there's no H.
Ow.
Sounds.
Sound. Good. Said the fox. Licking his lips and Red ran off to get some. What was it?
He's going to have to get carrots and garlic.
Snip went Red Hen. Until
Well done.
there was room for her to escape.
No, this is a difficult one, isn't it?
Squeeze
Well done.
out of the sack.
Here, look.
He found a big rock, hid it in the sack and mended
Mended, yeah.
the sack,
No,
the cut.
well done.
Then she ran quickly back to her house.
I don't think poor Fox is going to have a very nice dinner.
Eating a rock.
Here now. Up here.
The fox had found some carrots and garlic. He ran back,
There's no M.
grabbed the sack and took it to his house. He started boiling
Well
a
done.
big pot, chopped up the carrot and garlic. And they
No.
then tried to add Red Hen.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Here, look.
Splash! The rock fell into the pot. The fox was shocked
Yeah.
and angry. He shouted.
No.
Shouted,
Well done.
I will get you, Red Hen. Just you wait.
He was mad. Under your words?
Yeah.